guys, welcome back, and today I am here with another video, and in this video I am super excited to compare two different hair straighteners from Philips and Vega. So I'm going to be comparing Philips Kerashine BHS378 hair straightener with Vega hair straightener Vega VHSH-20. And the reason why I'm comparing both of these hair straightener because one of these hair straightener, the Philips one, is kind of high end and kind of a premium product. The other hair straightener, the Vega VHSH-20, belongs to like a brand Vega, of course, and it's kind of like a budget kind of brand. So let's get started. So firstly we will start with the price because this is really important to know. The Philips Kerashine BHS378 hair straightener is priced at 3,695 rupees. Okay, so it's like a little bit expensive in comparison with the Vega hair straightener, whereas Vega VHSH-20 hair straightener is priced at around like 1,600 rupees approx. You can check the pricing on Amazon and Flipkart both. So yes, there is a huge price difference in between both of these hair straightener, but definitely both are the professional brand and they have quite a wide range of hairstyling tools. That's the reason I felt like comparing both of the hair straighteners. Both of these hair straightener comes with the maximum heat temperature of 230 degrees Celsius. In this hair straightener you will get like totally 6 different temperature modes where you can adjust the temperature from 160 to 170, 180, then it's like 200, 210, 220 and 230 degree Celsius temperature. So you are getting 6 different range of temperature for all different kind of hair texture. Now we will see about Vega hair straightener. So guys, you will get the temperature control mode like Philips hair straightener. It comes with the minimum heat of 170 degrees Celsius and maximum heat of 230 degrees Celsius, and you can adjust the temperature in 4 different modes starting from the minimum heat, which is 170 degree, 190, 210 and 230 degrees Celsius. I would say both are like almost kind of similar because the minimum heat in Philips is 160 whereas in Vega is 170. So if we compare like 160 and 170 minimum heat, it's kind of like similar usability wise, or you work at 190 and definitely in this, or 180, so it's like that. So both of the hair straightener comes with keratin infused ceramic coating. So coating wise both are exactly similar guys, but in Philips Kerashine you get a few features which is more than what you get in the Vega hair straightener. So in a Philips it comes with ionic care, silk pro care and thermo protect technology and keratin infused ceramic plates. So these are the 3 advanced feature which is not available in the Vega hair straightener. So I must say silk pro care, which means the straightening experience is gonna be like very smooth and silky, and it comes with the ionic care, which means there won't be any friction while straightening your hair because our hair get electrically charged in contact with any kind of comb or any plasticky material. It kind of produces some friction, so you will not face any issue with this hair straightener. It's kind of ionic care it says, but it doesn't make a lot of difference. I have used this hair straightener, so I must say the plates are smooth and it glides on smoothly, but these ionic care and silk pro technology doesn't make much difference. Whereas we talk about the thermo technology, which means the plates of this hair straightener evenly distributes the heat. The plate of the hair straightener evenly get heat and it constantly transfers the heat during the straightening process. The heat will be continuously transferred. This is really good about the Philips Kerashine hair straightener. Whereas in Vega hair straightener, the plates comes with keratin infused ceramic coating. Of course, after straightening, I have used both of these hair straightener. I would say the straightening experience of both of these hair straightener is really good, and I did not see any like a visible difference in between both of the in the performance of both of these hair straightening when it comes to the straightening part. And I must say the only difference which I found, like which I experienced, was Philips Kerashine plate a little bit better. Like in the very first go, this hair straightener doesn't feels very harsh on the hair, like even if you are working at the very high heat, which is a 230 degrees Celsius temperature. Whereas with a Vega hair straightener, you can like experience something harsh you will feel that burning effect on your hair. Although it's safe heat, it doesn't burns your hair, but I would say you can hear some noise, like when you straighten with the Vega hair straightener at the maximum heat. It will be like a pan like effect when you put an omelette on the pan, and it just gives that noise, you know, shh, like that. So it makes that kind of noise when you straighten your hair. Although it's safe, I have done the straightening with this hair straightener at the maximum heat, and I did not face any issues or something. But the thing which I experienced, I would tell you. But with the Philips Kerashine hair straightener at the same heat temperature, you will not feel that harshness on the hair. Kinds of smoothly straightens your hair, and which I really like about the Philips Kerashine hair straightener, and it's because of those technology that offers, like Ionic Care and Silk Pro and Thermo Protect technology, etc. So maybe it can be because of that. And for a long run usage, for a regular usage, I must say this can minimize the heat damage. And so in this hair straightener, the fit finish of the hair straightener, as you can see, it's very premium, it's solid, it's a beautiful pearl like pink color hair straightener, and the plates are also like a baby pink. I really like the color combination of this hair straightener. The handle part of the hair straightener, it feels bulky, and when you hold it like so, while during the straightening process, you might feel some stress and some pressure on this part of your hand. Maybe if your palms are bigger, then you won't feel that issue, but I felt like that it was not very convenient. I had to put a lot of pressure. Also, the plates of these hair straightener, it's kind of a little bit tight, I would say. So when you just do like so, you have to put a lot of pressure with your thumb. Whereas in Vega, it's kind of smooth and sleek in comparison with the Philips hair straightener. It's very handy on the handle part, and also when you do the straightening things, it's kind of a little bit smoother in comparison with the Philips one. Although the Philips feels very solid and premium in comparison with the Vega. In Vega hair straightener, you can feel some sound while we just press the plates. You can hear some noise, some, like, you know, if you can notice something. Whereas in Philips, you won't hear those kind of noise if I just, but maybe if that doesn't matters for you, then it's a really good hair straightener. Although the fit finish is not that cheap, I would say it's really nice fit finish for this price. Both of these hair straightener comes with a lock and unlock feature. I mean, the plates can be locked and unlocked. If you can just compare, you will see there is certain gap in between the Vega hair straightener, whereas in Philips, it's nicely compact and perfectly packed, locked, I would say. So both of these hair straightener comes with the movable 360 movable cord, as you can see. In Vega also you get the same feature, and the actual power cord of these two hair straighteners are really good quality. They fits to the switchboard very well. It doesn't come out easily like during the straightening process, or doesn't get pulled or something. Both of these hair straightener comes with sleek and long plates. So both of the hair straightener can be used for straightening and curling purpose. So yes, you can create curls using these hair straighteners, because these are not that extra wide plated hair straighteners. If you are going for Philips Kerashine hair straightener, then it's a really nice purchase. You can go for it if your budget is like around 3,695 rupees or 3,700 rupees. If your budget is like within 2,000 or 1,500, then definitely you can go for Vega VHSH-20 hair straightener. You're not missing out on big things in comparison with the Philips, because you're getting almost all the features of Philips hair straightener in this Vega hair straightener. So yes guys, that's all about the comparison and my thoughts on these two hair straightener. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you still have any queries related to these hair straightener, comment down below, and you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel for a lot more helpful videos like this. I take a lot of effort in straightening my hair and doing these straightening videos and reviews videos, so you can also check out my Instagram. I love doing makeup, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye guys.